Hi, I'm Steve at the Carmichael Workshop, and today I'm going to make a wall mount with an articulating arm for my workshop laptop. I'm going to make this project out of some scrap maple, and I drew up this plan in Microsoft Visio. It's designed for my 17-inch laptop, so let's take a closer look. Here's an overall diagram of the wall mount. There will be an E-shaped part that mounts directly to a wall stud with two 10-inch pieces of maple, one 6-inch piece, and a small piece here that are all connected with 1/4-inch bolts. And I'm going to insert washers in between to help the arm swing freely. I'm going to cut a piece of plywood up here for the laptop with a little piece on the front to keep it from sliding off. And I'll cut this little piece, two of these actually, that connect to the arm, and that will allow me to tilt the laptop forward and back. This page has cutting templates for the odd shaped parts as well as the 10-inch and 6-inch maple pieces. I will make this plan available over on my website at thecarmichaelworkshop.com so you can download the PDF. Keep in mind this will work for a laptop 17 inches and smaller. If you have something bigger, you'll need to adjust the dimensions. I'm going to cut out these parts with my table saw and bandsaw and then drill the holes with a drill press. But you can certainly use a jigsaw, a scroll saw, and a regular drill to make this project. To dress it up a little bit, I cut this piece of walnut to glue onto the front of the plywood. Alright, I've got all the pieces cut and finished, and I went out and got all the hardware I needed to put it together. So let me show you what I've got. I'll include a list of this hardware on the PDF plan, but basically I've got two long drywall screws that are going to mount it to the wall. For this joint here, I've got a long hex bolt, 4 washers, and a nylock nut. For this joint here, I've got a little bit shorter hex bolt, 2 washers, and a nylock nut. For this joint here, I'm going to use a lag bolt to go in from the bottom into this piece. And then to secure these pieces, which will be attached to the top, I've got a hex bolt, a washer, a wing nut, and then I'm going to secure the top with 4 short 1-inch drywall screws. Instead of just mounting this E-shaped piece directly to the wall, I thought it might be better to use a bigger piece of wood here to spread the force out a little bit, and you can never go wrong with the combination of walnut and maple. Well, on this E-shaped piece, I must have got the holes just a tad off because it was hard to get the bolt through. And when I tried to use the hammer, the middle piece right here developed a little crack in it. And I knew that was a weak spot going into this because the grain runs this way in this piece. So each of these could easily break off. But I thought they would hold up a 6-pound laptop okay. They just couldn't stand up to a hammer. So I remade the piece and cut a new one, and this time I added some walnut accents with the grain running in this direction to make it a little bit stronger. So let's try again. To stop the table from tilting forward too much, I pre-drilled a hole here and I'm going to insert a stop screw. Well, here's the completed laptop wall mount. It's a nice safe place to put my laptop when I come out to use the CNC machine or just to watch YouTube videos. I really like the range of motion that it has. And also, I think the addition of these walnut accents makes it look really nice with the maple. It's plenty strong enough to hold up the 6-pound laptop too. If you'd like to make one of these yourself, don't forget to head over to my website at thecarmichaelworkshop.com where you can download a PDF of my cutting templates. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I'd like to invite you to subscribe and check out all of my previous projects. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.